Now, guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the gold. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Guys, make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, we all know gold is a safe haven currency, right? If there's like an uncertainty, we see that there is a bump in the price of our gold. Gold will definitely rally up, right? And coupled with the fact that our trend on gold also an uptrend. So this is one of the reasons why we are going to be anticipating for a further bullish move on gold. So now, if you're a swing trader, opting for the buy and hold your buy position, that is exactly what I'll say. Going for your buy on your gold and your buy position, because what we are seeing right here is the false move, which is your high, and this can also be seen as the higher low. This can also be seen as your higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now this will be seen as the higher high, and here comes what? Higher low right here. This is the higher low. Now this would also be seen as the higher high, right? Which market has done, right? If you are to zoom it in, an higher low has just played out here, right? And now market is pushing up to form a new higher high. So guys, a continuous bullish move, what you are going to be expecting on gold. So whatever you go to do on your gold, going for the buy and hold your buy position to anticipate for more movement to the upside on gold. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, right, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.